What's going on, family? I wanted to show you this new portable ventilation fan that I purchased. I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was right under $150. I set it up, made sure everything lined out good. It works great. You got a nice extension from when you extension it to get your air going out. This is actually the suck in, so you can position it where you want to do, hang it or whatever. And here goes some of the information on the one to kind of give you some information on it. Let's see, it is also for welding. See that? So I am pleased with the setup, and my goal is, the reason I got this portable ventilation, because I want to do mobile welding courses, and I'll probably be at different facilities. So I want to create a portable welding booth to be able to teach welding independently, to teach courses at different programs and seminars. So I wanted to have some ventilation and be close to an area where I can actually let the smoke go out and we can weld. This sucks great, so it won't be no problem to get all the ventilation out. And my goal is to design a booth sort of like this with all four corners, and probably in the side we might have a top on it and suck it out, you know what I mean? So it all depends on how we do it inside of the facility, but we're going to make it where it can keep down the smoke and other people can actually watch and they can learn. So our goal is to kill 7 birds in one stone. But like I say all the time, you got to start from somewhere and you have to build your equipment. So at this time, when things are slow or whatever, get your equipment together. Get everything together so that way you can let your next move be your best move. Hold on.